So number one, you want to mint your NFT on platforms without gas fees. So without gas fees, as an NFT artist, did you know you can mint more and your collectors can buy more art? We would all love to be featured on OpenSea as an NFT artist, but let's face it, you don't need to be on OpenSea to sell an NFT, and you don't need to go broke of trying to mint an NFT to your audience. I would recommend starting out with minting your NFT on websites that have no gas fees first. And if you happen to build a high reach, you can always move your NFTs to platforms with gas fees later down the line. It's not all about being listed on the Talk About website if you're not making money from it and they're taking money from you. And you want to make sure your collectors can afford to buy them on there. So with high gas fees also means that they can't buy as many. It's all about catering to your audience and giving them what they want to support your artwork. Number two, you could build a website to promote your NFTs. I highly recommend doing this. Building a website to promote your NFTs can be so beneficial for your audience. A website helps your audience learn more about your products and projects at any given time of the day of the week. Think of it like this. It's like your NFT has real estate on the internet. As a web developer, I highly recommend building this, okay? I don't care if it's one NFT or 1,000 NFTs. This will help you. And if you plan to market your NFT, this can help you with search engine optimization. So your website should be informational about you as the creator. And if you have a team building, your NFTs or behind this project, you want to share the information about them as well, because it will bring validation and make it valid and make sure that they are, buying something that's real and has value. So make sure you are who you say you are, and also can control the communication with your audience. Just in case like any major platforms like OpenSea, Solana websites are down, which sometimes they can be down, and you're selling NFT and no one can purchase, well, you have a website to back that up. You can always collect emails, phone numbers of your visitors, and stay in communication with them when things don't go right or when there are updates to your NFT projects. Number three, you can offer utility tokens for your NFTs. Utility tokens increase value in NFTs due to the fact it offers incentives on them owning your NFT. For example, your NFT can offer a utility token that gives owners exclusive access to exclusive memberships, an event, access to a game, and so much more. I highly recommend offering a utility token for your NFT. But first, you will need to know what your audience wants first, and then you can offer a utility token. This will drive your value of NFT up, and your audience wants to support, your NFT because they're urged to purchase it because of the incentives. It's a win-win for both parties. Number four, join Facebook and Discord base groups on your NFT categories. There are tons of Discord groups that can help you promote your NFTs. You can even make your own Discord group if you have a following for your artwork already, and this will help your audience stay up to date with your upcoming projects, such as NFT projects. Also, Facebook is becoming very more popular for NFTs, and you can find some groups that can help you connect with NFT creators just like yourself and collaborate with others and bounce ideas and tips off one another. Number five, collaborations. YouTubers, IG influencers, TikTok influencers, utilize your DMs now. This is very important if you want to stick out from the rest and grow your NFT project fast. Reach is very important in today's society for any product and brand, and that is exactly what your NFT project is. It's a product, it's a brand. Look at it as a product, and you want to make people want to buy it. Consumerism works when it's connected to an idolized individual or a lifestyle. I highly encourage you to utilize your DMs. You'll be surprised who will respond and network with you. However, you must understand your target audience and reach out to those that can reach the same target audience. They do not have to be famous for you to reach out. You can reach out to people who share the same interests in your space, and hopefully they will support your NFTs. Or maybe they'll be very interested in what you're sharing to them and they'll share it to their audience. Reach is always important no matter how many reaches it is. One reach is better than zero reach. So I hope these tips are useful, and let me know down below in the comments if you will use some of these tips to help sell your NFTs. You are always welcome to comment down your NFT project for me in the comment section below and for me and others to view. Best of luck. I see you guys in the next video.